Did a software update break the libexpat-1 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get expat running again. To start our guide for libexpat-1 library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the libexpat-1 library, the Expat XML Parser library, a localized stream-oriented parser used in thousands of open-source apps to handle XML data without loading the entire tree into memory. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. If you see a libexpat-1 library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the expat subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the libexpat-1 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of libexpat-1 library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to libexpat-1 library and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored libexpat-1 library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.